Hello everyone, welcome back to TechLog YouTube channel.
Today for this video I will be showing you how you can delete your Hotmail account. So for that, first of all, you open the browser on your PC and open a new tab. There on the search bar you type in hotmail.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page. Here you need to click on sign in on the top right, tap that. Type in the email address of yours. Click on next. Now type in the password. Click on sign in. You need to get signed in into the account of Hotmail in the web browser, as you cannot delete your Hotmail account from the mobile application. There is no feature as delete your account or close your account in the Hotmail app. So once you're at the mail section of your Outlook or the Hotmail, you need to click on the profile name over here and then click on My Microsoft Account. Click upon that. Now once you're at the Microsoft account page, you need to click on your info on the top option. Tap that. You need to scroll down to the account info over here. Here you can see, and inside it you will have this option of close account. You click on it. This will direct you to the page where you will be able to delete your account. So here is given the information for how you can delete it. So here you will be provided with all the information before you delete your Microsoft account, or how you can close your Microsoft account, that is the Hotmail account. You scroll down and you can click upon this option over here, go to close your account. Click on it. Now before you do that, you can provide an alternative email address to protect your Microsoft account if necessary. So here you type in the email address that must be different from Hotmail. Once you have provided it, you tap on next. Here now they will send you a code to the email address that you have just provided. You can go check the mail. There's the mail from Microsoft account. You click upon that and you need to copy this code from here and paste it over here in the text box and then click on next. Before you go through the process, you need to verify your identity. So there you need to click on email. Now here you need to type in the email address, the alternative email address over here once again. Then tap on send code. Now they will send a code to the email address that you have just provided. You go and check the code over here again. There you can see the Microsoft code. You need to copy this code over here and paste it over here. Then click on verify. With this, your identity will be verified. Now the closing account is at its final process. So here are all the information that you need to know before you make the closure for this account. Once you have done all this, you need to make sure you go through the very last line of this page. Here it is said that just in case if you change your mind, we wait, and there's a drop down menu. There's 30 and 60 option available. Before we permanently close your account, during this time the account is marked for closure, but it still exists. To reopen your account during this time, you'll need to prove your identity using your current account security info. So what does this mean is, you can recover your account within the period of 30 or 60 days, just in case if you changed your mind. If not, you can just click on 30, and after the 30 days time period, your account will get permanently deleted. But if you want to reopen your account, you will need to go through the verification process with the security information that you have provided. Now click on next, and with that your Hotmail account will get deleted. So this is the process for how you can delete a Hotmail account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.